flying from Clark Airport again. It's currently 7:22 and kakapasok lang ng parking. Malawak naman ang parking and maraming vacant. Nakapag-online check-in na rin ako kagabi. So, I'm expecting na smooth lang din yung pagpunta doon sa boarding gate. Yung flight is 9:30. We should be at the boarding gate ng mga 8:45. So, we have ample time naman to wait sa airport. We're parked here and nagbababa ng gamit. So, yun yung Clark International Airport. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung nakakita pero may ginagawa banda doon na parang ito yata yung sinasabi na magiging parang train connecting from Naiya or wherever sa Manila. Tapos mayroon ding bus station doon. Again, wala masyadong tao. It's currently 7:31. Tingnan natin ulit kung anong bilis. Kabagal tayo makakapunta sa boarding gate. So, nakaready na ang ating IDs. Ganda lang design ng seater. Banda dito yung may signage na Clark. But because park tayo, so nasa baba yung ating sasakyan. Kinailangan natin umakyat. So, tignan natin kung saan tayong gate. We are going to Cebu. Ayun. Sa gate 1, row C. Ang ganda. Every time, maganda talaga ako dito. Amazing. Let's go na sa departure. Yan! We're already inside the gates. It's now 7:40. Nag-ano-ano pa kasi sa labas. I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast. It's too early for me. Mabilis pa rin yung process. Actually, kami lang yung nagtagal kasi I decided to print the ticket, the boarding tickets. Kahit na pwede namang hindi. One detail lang. It's a natural light. May mga ganyang features. Ang bubong natin dito sa Clark. The waiting area is we're gonna have breakfast first. I have ordered CBTL and it's an asado pandesal. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako nag-breakfast pero since it's still gonna take a while before we are able to eat, we eat here sa airport. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yung background music is an instrumental. It's spring day. We landed. It's currently 10:57. Pina-check-in namin yung baggage namin kanina sa Clark International Airport. Ooh, what's that? What's menu? Ayun, nakuha na namin yung bags namin. And surprisingly, mabilis lang today. I forgot to mention na meron pala kaming binook na travel agency. Kasi ayaw na namin actually na mag-DIY for today. Kahit na minsan lang. Hindi kami mag-DIY and we will have our tour for the rest of the trip. The thing is, our flight back is supposedly on October 6, pero it was cancelled by the airline and was moved to October 7. And yung one day na yun is the only time that we will be DIY. So actually, hindi ko naman to first time na pumunta dito sa Cebu, pero parang hindi ko naaalala na ganito. I don't know if it's improved lang or what. Diba may second floor? And high ceiling siya. I don't know if the Kawasan Falls na pupunta tayo dyan. May Bose coffee. May lechon belly na doon. Chilies. Huh? It's pretty nice. Tapos the ceiling, may lights din. May konting duty-free shops. Yan, we're just gonna find kung saan si Kuya na naghihintay. Sabi, exit A5. Yan, so meron siyang 7-Eleven over here. Sorry, pinipicturan ko yung mga hindi ko usually nakikita. And that's the thing that I look forward to in every travel, no? Yung makita mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman normally nakikita. Pero parang you're on the wrong side. Parang dito yung papunta yung car park. Let's try to go to the other side. We are looking for Bay A5. So, nandito yung mga taxi, mga service. And maganda na marami silang bay. If you have someone waiting for you sa car, ganyan, masasabi lang niya na nandito lang siya sa bay. A something, B something, C, D, para hindi din need magsundo talaga dun sa airport area. Yan na. Sige po, dun sa House of Lechon po. House of Lechon muna. First order of business is food talaga, no? Yeah. Nag-reapply tayo ng sunscreen. Kasi nakaka-feel ko na yung init. Ito ba yung bridge? Lumindol po dito, di ba? Yung lindol?
Pero mahina na dito.
Mahina na dito. Pero nasan po kayo nun?
Dito lang sa Lapu-Lapu.
Ha? Dito?
Yung malakas sa north.
Oo nga.
Kaso di ba may tour din kami kuya sa Bantayan?
Oo, doon ang malakas.
2 days ago ng gabi, lumindol kasi dito sa Cebu. Pero it's on the northern part of the island. Mahina lang daw dito banda.
Ano, hindi rin? Hindi parking.
Ayan, nagpa-park na lang. Nandito na kami sa House of Lechon. It's really the first order of business. Vlogger run. Yeah. Kitchen nila is ayan, glass. Wow. And preparation. Kitang-kita paano kinakaway ni ate. May gloves naman. Uy, may mango mochi and mango sticky rice. Ang fresh ko ng pwede.
By the way, ma'am, my name is Lilian. I will be the one getting inside. And ma'am, I recommend you to try out the desserts na buto bongbong serving ka.
Ganda si Kuya. I don't know if you can hear it. Medyo maraming tao. Here's the joint arrival schedule. We're currently, the time now is 12:15 and it's a Thursday, so uy, kakadating lang. Kakadating lang, oh. Ganda ng kitchen. Ganda na. Open yung kitchen lang nila. That's great. Good afternoon. Another. Sige po. Thank you.
Welcome home. Hi, good afternoon. Welcome home to House of Lechon. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Umikot eh. Nandito pala. Malaki naman pala yung place. Of course, we're gonna get lechon. Meron din silang lechon sisig, lechon kare-kare, lechon solo. Ayan. So, this is their menu. And my favorite is the baked scallop. So, yun yung order namin alongside the lechon. And then the drinks. Ang ganda ng layout ng beverages nila. Tapos, finally, the desserts. So, sana matamis ang kanilang mangga. Sana. So, I ordered this mango sticky rice as well. Madi-describe ko yung theme ng ano nila is parang tropical paradise. May pagka-modern. Ang ganda yung interiors nila. Tapos yung meron yung uniform din ng mga staff. Tapos yung greeting din talaga nila. Lahat i-greet ka eh. Kahit na anong ginagawa nila, mag-greet sila. Kaninang we were on the way to the table. Ayun. Ano pa ba yung na-observe ko? Na-observe ko, gutom na ako.
Usually lechon and baked scallops to share din duha ka puso na rice.
Okay po.
For na din ako ang juice sauce na may pagka-salty.
Tagalog po.
Like yun rin siya na kung cheese guard ito po. Para mag-get yung mas na dripping sauce po.
Okay. Yan, we got gloves kasi pwede naman daw mag-gloves. Para manamnam natin ng mabuti ang ating kinakain. We are Filipinos. Masabihin na hindi tayo marunong kumain ng nakakamay. Here is the puso. Let's try that. Yung meat, meron siyang flavor. We have the big scallops.
Here's your one.
This is my last one. We ordered 12. Tapos, yung lechon, sakto lang for 2 people. Yung 1/4. So, in case you go here, kasya na. Hindi siya bitin. Hindi rin siya masyadong sobra. Well, depende siguro pala kung malakas kayo kumain. Pero, on average, okay na siya. Okay yung serving size and the taste as well. Ayan, nandiyan na yung dessert natin. Mango sticky rice. The presentation is giving. Para siyang merong ginger. May ginger taste ng sago. Mainit-init pa yung sticky rice. Medyo maasim yung mangga. Which is okay lang naman. At least fresh, diba? Tapos yung coco, natin with the coco. Okay naman, hindi siya masyado matamis. Ayan, tumatanda na kasi tayo. Hindi masyado matamis is okay. Ibig sabihin, it's good. Ganda ng presentation. Again, yung serving is okay. Highly recommended. Ito kayo dito sa House of Lechon. And you will be greeted with welcome home. We're here at Shamrock.
Afternoon, ma.
150 lang for 400 grams na. And then ito pa, Hojal dress. Vocal dress. Big pulverons. Meron ding escorte. 78. Hi!
Salamat, ma'am.
We got this OTAP. 745 siya. Makakamura kayo ng 35 pesos versus buying 10 pieces of yung 200 grams kanina. So we're here at Magellan's Cross. Ito daw yun. And then on the right side is the Santo Niño. Before we go sa church,
Sa'yo na lang. Mama,
we
galay
can
ko kayo, ma.
go muna siguro dito sa...
Tinulog mo, ma, para sa iyong pagbiyahe. Travel, ma.
Di na po pwedeng pumasok dito.
Di pa, ma'am, kasi titignan pa kasi nila ito, ma'am, kasi meron kasi nakrak sa kason.
Ha?
Marami kasi mga ano mo muna, hulog, mga bagbat. Kailangan nilang ayusin.
Yung mga bato-bato.
Para walang samang mangyari sa mga puseta.
Ayan, ang Magellan's Cross. Again, bawal pang pumasok because of the recent earthquake 2 days ago. Magkano po yung...
Example yung kandila namin, ma'am.
Example.
Holy Family. Ruta mo na.
May damage din na makikita. Dito yung mass na ginaganap. USD Basilica. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang parang very historic. Nakikita mo yung Spanish influence talaga. Actually, maganda yung structure. Miniature. Ayan. So, magdadasal lang tayo ng saglit dito. We are here at El Fuerte de San Pedro. Pagpasok dito sa fort, is meron ganito. Baka ngayon lang to, no, na meron silang parang tent. I don't think this is always around. And may parang mga gwardya to add to the experience. And then let's try to go to the second floor. Ayan. Dapat nasa taas ka para ma-appreciate mo yung view. Sisipat pa eh. Ang init po ng trip natin ngayon. Opo. Bababa. Okay, nasa another hand something tayo. Ang ganda. Let's check out the view. May fountain. Oh, cutie. Sa camera, hindi masyadong light. Parang nag-dark na. Pero in reality, kita mo ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Hindi kami masyadong nag-research for this trip in general. Pero ito, alam ko naman na it's a temple. But I didn't really expect na ganito siya. Kaganda, kalaki, alam mo yun. Parang hindi siya ganito ka-grand. Yung mga gold pa eh. Oh. Tsaka yung ano niya is gold, no? Yung kumikinang talaga. And then this one. Ayan, yung mga marble. And then the chandelier is giving. Hahaha. Details. Attention to details. Lapit ng ulan. Ayun, as I was saying kanina, hindi kami natuloy dun sa Azul, which is actually malapit dun sa place namin just because wala daw silang extra seat or table. And so, we decided to search again. We happened to search for this cake, flakes and chill para matry na namin yung Tuslob Puwa. Gusto ko talaga kasi siya i-try. It's a delicacy na wala naman sa Pampanga. And by the way, we are just booking Grab car. I think 80 pesos yung minimum fare nila. Kahit na malapit kasi, it's just 80. We're just gonna wait for the food. Meron nga palang lutuan dito. Magpapaturo kami mamaya kung paano magluto.
Yan ang magtimantika po. Oh yeah.
Ano ho yan?
Utok, utak. Ang lamat is ano na spicy. Pag gusto niya ng maalat po, dadagan niya ng ano po ng protein toyo po. Ano po yung
Toyo?
ayun po. Mantika po, tapos toyo po. Tapos, low fire po.
Low fire.
Kinisa na lang, kinigisa ng produto na. Pwede na.
Okay.
Ano lang pala. Thank you po.
Okay, yung rice is May hati siya. This is the rice. Subtle lang yung lasa. Actually, parang ano mo yung toyo and the panggisa, which is pretty normal naman din na malalasa. Naka-low heat ba? Only pala ang ito. Halatang first time talaga. Let's try to cook. Kanina nag-demo na si ate, so tignan. Ay! Ang bilis kanina si ate, konti. Halo natin. Ganun lang pala kasimple. Ayan na.